Don't cry. Don't cry. Say hi.
So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
Hey.
You'll try to come back when you fade. I am the truth, but it's late.
We bought a mic. Okay, focus. We bought a mic, so I just want to unbox it before I start this video and test the sound. So let's unbox it. Let's unbox it. I already did an Instagram video unboxing it, but I haven't tested it to see if it works the way I wanted to. But yeah, here we are. It's very cute duck. It's very cute. Let me open it. Here it is. So we have this. I think I have to put this here on the phone. Hi. Hello. Hi. Yeah, I finally stopped it. I hope the sound is good. So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Selena. Welcome to this brand new vlog. Last time I vlogged, it was on Saturday. We went to a mall. We actually went there to look for my shoes. So I just want to show you guys what I bought, the shoe that I bought. So here it is. Let's see a little unboxing. We got it at Sportscene. In what do they call that mall? I don't know. Stonebridge. What's that mall? Yo. What's the name of that mall? Greenstone, yes. So we went to Centon, right? And then I found them. They were in. They didn't have my size, so I went to Greenstone. I found my size, but when I got there, I found like the gray ones. Like they were very nice. I found the gray ones, and I was. I changed my mind. I was like, I'm now buying the gray ones, only to find that they didn't have size 6. So I opted for the yellow one. I went for New Balance. So beautiful. So stunning. Here they are. Very nice, very comfortable. I like them so much. I think I should be careful when I wash them. I'm gonna go look for the right the right solution to wash them. the right soap or those sprays. I think they sell the cleaning product at Sneaker Clinic. I'm not sure about the price, but I'm gonna look for them so that I make sure that I use the right chemicals to wash them, or the right soap. But here they are. They are so beautiful. I love them so much. And I need to go to the shops right now because I have to buy my daughter's essentials, diapers, and I'm only gonna buy diapers and formula. Yeah, diapers and formula, maybe with snacks and whatever, because she still have some. And then I'm also gonna buy chicken. I want chicken. I'm gonna buy chicken, and what else? I think I should make a list. I should make a list of the things that I want to buy. I'll go buy grocery tomorrow because today I'm tired and I'm sick. So I'll just buy grocery tomorrow. But yeah, let's get going. I bone mic yavaleka, so I wonder bengivakala all along. Hayi bo bored. Hi, Shab, let's get going.
They getting over, got a month of cold because the kid the coldest. Ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4P, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out Switch and Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. Make the braid, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to meet them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna live it though. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Shooters follow behind in years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the police, jobs, period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know I can up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Smoke gloss and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the collar, the feel the sun. I'm broke to see it drop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my collar, we stacking up wallow and collar. I'm trying to get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BML. Think I'm dumb, got stones in my right and left. So you track out the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pocket, get out of there. Ain't gonna have a hard time finding where to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep it spell. On the strap because I'm worried. Check the trucks, I'm counting more fake. Scott Swellers, Louis, and a present. 150 client, Richard Mello. I'ma put the gamma to his empty. Because I'm spitting flavor to his empty. I am not a killer, but don't tell me I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50.
So many reasons why I want you for you, my love. Now you want to retire with my love. See all the little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come. I want to make me dance. Girl, I want to make you. Oh, no. Oh, baby, oh, no, no.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. For the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's a body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. In the top top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. White bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Let's argue, I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. Can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you fronting on me and on my main one? Are you blaming on me and your main one?
Mommy, this is mommy. Yeah. You're gonna help mommy. Put mommy here. Put mommy here, eh? Okay. Yeah, leave it. Leave mommy. Leave mommy alone. What have you done? Patrimony. Why are you like this? Why? Patrimony. Don't tell me that. No, that's not yours. It's mine. It's mine. No, it's for school. school, ne? Yeah, we're gonna read the school. It's for school, right? Yes, it's for school. We're gonna eat it at school, ne? We're gonna tell teachers, teacher, can I have my snack? Yes. This is for school as well. Hello, Padre. Thank you. Wait, I'll give you yours. This is for school, Angit. Asambe, Asambe. Look. She's in very serious. Three. Hi guys, it's another day on this vlog. I just finished preparing my daughter for school. She left for school right now, so I'm just about to start with my day as well. But I'm gonna end this vlog here so that you can partake in Vlogtober. Please tell me how does the sound? How's the sound? Because I feel like I sound a bit wonky, even though I have flu, but I feel like it makes my voice to be too much. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this mic. Or I should try to put it on my phone and then I'll hold the phone like this. Maybe it will be better. I'm gonna try that as well. On the next vlog, I'm just gonna try that. But for now, bye bye. See you on the next one.